Hi, I'm Cyril and Ramos. I'm going to demonstrate to you my specialized training, which is the computer literacy. I would like to show you how to use the Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Let's start with the Microsoft Word. It is a processor which is developed by Microsoft. It has advanced features which allows you to create and format your files and documents in the best possible way. I already put the details of the calendar, like the days and the dates of the months. I'm just going to adjust the table for it to fit. Okay. So to make it look better, I'm going to insert a picture to serve as its background. To choose this one. So to put it as the background of the calendar, I'm going to wrap it and put it behind the text or behind the table. I'm going to adjust it again. Okay. So to type the text or to type the name of the month, we have to insert a text box. Or we have to draw a text box here. Let's type, for example, June 2021, then enter. I don't want that white background, so I'm going to shape fill and click the no fill, and I will also remove this outline, shape outline, and click no outline. Then for the font text, to make it bigger, I'll just click the increase font size here. Okay. Adjust this, and if you want to change the font style, you can go here and choose what font style you want for your text. So I'll just use this. And adjust it to the center. So here is a simple calendar. I'm going to make a calendar using a Microsoft Word. First, I'm going to open the program by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner of the screen. Then locate the Microsoft Office button and click it. In the submenu of the Microsoft Office button, click the Microsoft Word. So as you can see, you have the option to open a blank document or a new document, or you can open any of the several word processing templates, which are those. It can help and make your work easier. Let's click the new blank document. File and then new. To make a calendar, I'm going to insert a table here. 7 by 6 table. So for Microsoft Excel, to open the program, we just have to do the same procedure as for the Microsoft Word. Click the Start button in the lower left corner of the screen and locate for the Microsoft Office, and in the submenu, click the Microsoft Excel. And you also have the option to open a new blank workbook or also the templates in the Microsoft Excel. So let's start with the new blank workbook. Blank workbook. So here is the Microsoft Excel. So this is what you call the spreadsheet. These are the spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet. It consists of columns and rows. So the inner section of a column and a row is called a cell. This is a cell. Each cell has a name, and because it has a name, you can describe it and do certain things with the content of each cell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate in the Microsoft Excel on how to. So this is a sample table for the computation of the grade. So here is the written works, 40%, performance task, 40%, and a quarterly assessment, 20%. So, to compute the total of the written words, let's type equals sum, open parenthesis, B3, colon, E3, and then close parenthesis, and then enter. So as you can see, we have a total of 80. So it will be time consuming if we type in each cell the formula. So to make it less time consuming, we just have to click the cell and then drop and drag it down up to the last student. So we now have the total of the written works of the students, and we just have to increase it to the 2. Okay, so to get the percentage of the written works, we just have to type equal, open parenthesis, F3 divided by F $3 close parenthesis multiply by 100. So as you can see, we have to F3 here. So the other F3 with dollar sign, it is used to make it, we use dollar sign to make it stable, and the other F3, so it doesn't have dollar sign because for it so when we enter it to the next cell, it will become F4, F5, and so on. So enter it, so we can see 100 here. So let's just click it, drop it, and drag it down up to the last students. You can see the results are here, and let's decrease it up to the 2 decimal places. The same procedure here in the performance task. Just have to do the same procedure, equals sum, open parenthesis, H3 colon K3, then close parenthesis. Let's drop and drag it down up to the last students. Same with the percentage of the performance task, equals L3 divided by L dollar sign 3 multiplied by 100, and drag it down up to the last students, and decrease it up to the 2 decimal places only. Oh, sorry. And for the quarterly assessment, we just have 1 quarter, so it will serve as a total of the quarterly assessment, and will only get the percentage of it. So this equals N3 divided by N dollar sign 3 multiplied by 100, and we'll just have to drag it down and decrease the decimal places.